God is greatest.
Yeah, well do it in Arabic.
Yes.
يلا بالعربية. يلا.
الله أكبر.
هاي.
الله أكبر الله أكبر. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم
انت اخوي يهودي
ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة رزقهم ينفقون.
Wow, very good.
Is that
good? Allahu Akbar, Allah.
I mainly like to say part of it because we believe.
Go on. Do whatever you know.
Only I know all of it, but only what we believe.
Yeah, go do what you believe to say it. Then.
What we believe.
يلا بالي.
But I'm still Yehudi, you know.
وانت مالي نعرفك بالسلم تقول. Just do it.
No, you're not Muslim.
You're not Muslim. أنا عارفك شو بتصير.
Only if you say 4 times.
يلا say whatever. يلا go on.
If you do it 4 times, the whole
go
thing.
On. No, it doesn't matter how much you're gonna say it. How many times?
Yes, because I obviously.
Go on, doesn't matter. Don't explain. Say it then.
Okay, there's different one. There's one from Mecca. Do you want to hear the one?
Yeah, the one from Mecca.
Allahu Akbar.
Hi, Adam.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Not Farid.
لا إله إلا الله.
ما شاء الله, good voice.
شوف الشاشة.
Is this Egyptian?
What is? Do you see anything today?
Well, I brought today.
تجيب العيبات.
But I've never.
خرب عليك شفار بالله. Opera.
Opera? Do you like opera?
Oprah Winfrey.
Do you like opera?
She's my cousin.